We're gonna do a vase pour. Combined our talents for this big one. This is how big it is. That's her head. And
I don't know that we're gonna have a stack.
we don't know what colors we're choosing.
Ah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
It doesn't even need to be that high.
No, it doesn't. Less than that.
Are we gonna do coasters under?
Yes. Coasters underneath it. We are using Master's Touch Cobalt Blue, the Fine Touch Black, the Fine Touch White, and Master's Touch Brown Red, which is kind of metallic-y. Mixing it, 1 part paint, about 2 parts Floetrol, and a little bit of water to thin it out. We're going for a little more of a simplistic look. Less colors, more of a traditional vase, I guess. Something easier to put places. I think this will work. And we are going to put a GoPro on the cup that sits inside the vase, like this, to get the inside view of the paint pour, which will be kind of cool. Okay, so this is a bigger vase than normal, and we didn't want to waste a whole lot of paint, so we mixed a little bit. We tried to mix as much as we thought we needed, which turned out to be a little bit less than we normally do. And these, yeah, is it a bubble? Hold on, we got a little bubbly action right here. She's gonna try and take care of it right now. Wait. Focus. Okay. Oh, it's a clump. Just leave it.
Yeah.
Just leave it. But now we gotta sit. We're gonna sit and wait. Wait for a while and see if these spaces cover up, which they seem to be doing. We don't want to use any more paint. We may not have enough paint to cover these tiles, but as long as this vase covers,
We have a ton
it should be good. I think it's gonna cover just nicely, but we don't know. It looks good. It's kind of a cool vase right now. Here's the back side of it. This whole backside's covered. It's only the little bits up front there. So we'll bring you back when it's covered. It's been a few minutes. It's covered. We're gonna move this and mess with the coasters.
This thing is so heavy.
Now that it's dry, I'm gonna spray it with three coats of this glossy finish. And then it'll be done. Alright, it's finished. I think this looks really cool. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. I put the GoPro footage in, but we've got to do some things a little different. Obviously, you saw the footage. We need to get a light under there somehow, so it's lit up on the inside of the vase, and I need to tape over the red blinking light so it doesn't change the color inside there. It'll be really cool once that's done. I mean, it looks kind of cool the way it is now, but it's just a little too dark and you can't see a whole lot. So I'm gonna do that next time. Tape the red light and put a flashlight or something underneath the vase at the same time.